let us discuss the text sizes for our AutoCAD drawing. Okay, the first thing, that readable text should be our priority for our drawings. And second thing, our text size depends upon two factors. First one is your drawing data, and second one is your paper size on which you want to take printout. Okay, the first one is your drawing data. Drawing data means this whole data. So if your data is small, then your text size also be small. But if your drawing is larger, then you need to increase your text for your better reading. Okay, so these are some guidelines for your text sizes in our drawings. Okay, but we have some thumb rules. Okay, uh, for unit and for feet and inches unit. So if your drawing is in feet and inches, okay, so these are some thumb rules. Okay, so we can start from 2.5 inches to and with 10 inches. Okay, so these are some thumb rules, text sizes for our feet and inches unit drawings. Okay, but if we are working with units, okay, so these are some thumb rules. Okay, we can start from 60 to, and we can end with 250 for our headings. Okay, if we are creating any titles, okay, so then we can use either 250 in our drawings, or 10 inches for our feet and inches drawing. So these are some thumb rules. These are not the guidelines, these are some thumb rules. So this video will help you a lot.